Hello, my name is Anthony, and this is the Prepare and Publish page tutorial. Once you have created your app, it's time to get it ready for publishing and distribution. In this section, you have several options. The first is the on-phone icon. This is the icon that will be displayed on the home page or application menu screens of your users' devices. Click the Add Image button and select an icon from the pop-up gallery. Or navigate to the My Images section and select an image you have uploaded or created. Remember to follow the image guidelines. Next, you can enable or disable forced update checking by selecting the checkbox for Update Check. This will force the application to check for updates each time it is launched. This is very helpful if you will be frequently updating your application. You can also add an intro page graphic. This is a full-screen graphic that will be displayed before the first page of your application. You can use this as ad space or as an introductory to your application. Next, you can set a banner image to display as the download page header. This banner will be displayed on the download page of your device, which your users are brought to when navigating to your app's URL or QR code. Again, select the Add Image button and choose an image from the gallery. Lastly, you can co-brand the About page with us by adding some text in the field provided. You can also choose a logo image to accompany by selecting the Add Image button and choosing an image from the gallery. By clicking the Advanced button, you gain access to more specialized options. The first is Language. Here you can select the system language that will be used with your app. For example, if your app content is in Spanish, then by setting the system language to Spanish, system functions like Tell a Friend, error messages, and help text will also appear in Spanish. The Security section lets you add password protection. Simply select the box and enter a password. Remember to provide it to those you want to have access to your app. And lastly, you can set a date for your app to expire if you wish it to do so before the preset 1-year lifespan. Now that your app is prepared, scroll up and select the Publish tab. In the Publish section, the first feature you will notice is our free preview. This feature allows you to send your app to your device or the devices of those on your team for review and feedback. This is great for testing your app completely before paying to publish. To activate the preview option, just click the button and then copy the temporary URL that is generated and send it. You can also manually type in the URL in the web browser of your device. The app will have a pop-up screen that appears every so often while viewing. This pop-up will be removed once the app is paid for and published. The next field is Payment Options, and if you have been provided with a promo code, you can enter it into the field provided. Magmito provides two payment options. Prices are $9.99 per month or $99.99 for the full year, and again can be updated as many times as you like during the paid period. Select the recurring payment option if you would like us to automatically debit your account monthly or yearly. This convenient option avoids you possibly forgetting to renew your app, especially if you're paying monthly. When you're ready, select Purchase. Once the payment process is complete, you can move on to the final steps for publishing. If you would like to submit your app for possible inclusion in our Showcase gallery and take advantage of added exposure, check the Showcase option. Next is to select a category for your app. Just use the drop-down and pick the one that best describes your app. And lastly, you can make the final adjustment to the name of your app. You will have the option of modifying two fields within the app URL, one for your business name and then one for your app name. Remember, the name you supplied as your application working title, found on the menu page in the editor, is the name that will appear under the on-phone icon on the user's phone. This name can be different than the app name in the URL if you like. To change before publishing, click the Create tab and return to the editor. Make the change and select Save before returning to the Publish section to complete the process. Once you're happy, click Publish and wait for the confirmation window to appear before heading to the Promote section and the many ways to distribute your app. That's it for this tutorial. Remember to visit the Tutorials section of the tool for a growing selection of helpful how-to videos. And feel free to use the live chat feature when available for instant help on any topic. This is Anthony signing off, and don't be afraid to get creative.